First of all, I would like to tell you that a very happy new year. Today is the first day of 2025. A very happy new year to you.
Yes, Happy New Year, and it's my first conversation today.
Okay, okay. But before you, I had a conversation with Shar. I had a conversation today. This one is my second conversation, and after this conversation, I think I have to speak with someone at 4.
Okay, very good. So you are from India.
Yes, yes, I'm from India, and you are from Bangladesh. I know because I had a conversation with you before.
Yes, yes, yes. You are from India. I remember that, but I forget which state.
I'm from West Bengal. West Bengal.
West Bengal. So do you know Bangla?
Yes, absolutely. I know.
Oh,
I'm very fluent in Bengal.
that's great.
Okay,
So
so how you are going to spend this year? Have you decided? Have you made any kind of resolution for this year for 2025, which you haven't achieved in 2024? Have you? Do you have this kind of plans for 2025?
if you talk about 2024, I achieved. So I, I achieved speaking skills. Though I
Mm-hmm.
am beginner, I am not that good and I am not good at speaking, but I think it's my best asset in 2024 because right now I can say something in English. Okay, and if you talk about 2025, so at first, as soon as possible, I want to join my job, and all year I want to going with my job.
Okay, okay, great, great, great. And if I tell you what was the biggest lesson of 2024, what did you learn from 2024? What lessons 2024 has taught you, which you are
What
going
listen?
to carry with, yes, which you are going to carry with you in 2025? Lessons.
I have already told that I want to going with my job because still I can't join any job, and recently I have got a job, and as soon as possible I will join a job, and I want to my all focus on my job.
Okay, okay, okay. Is it government or in private sector?
Private bank.
Okay, okay, great, great. Okay. So can I ask few questions and you can all answer for 1 minute only? Few topic.
Okay, sure.
So my first, okay, so my first question is that do you believe in luck or you believe in hard work?
I think both are connected, and if you talk about most, so I think most important hard work.
Okay, so you prefer hard work rather than luck.
Yes. So if
Do
you
you
don't
prefer?
if you don't any work, just you watching or just you sitting on bed or you lying on bed, but you want to
Mhm.
fluently speak in English, so how can is it possible without practice? So if you
Yes.
practice regularly and if you hard work about this language, so I think after that you will be a fluently speaker in English.
Yes, yes,
Just
you are absolutely right.
it's an example, okay?
You took a perfect example. For example, I want to be a super fluent in English. I'm just sitting, I'm just thinking about that, but I'm not taking action for that, which I need to take to become fluent speaker in this language. I'm not taking action. I'm just thinking that I will be fluent in English just by luck. Luck can help me to become fluent in English. Is it
Sure.
possible? It's not possible. So hard work matters a lot in each and every field. But yes, luck also exists. It also matters in some cases. In most of the cases, I feel hard work matters a lot. But luck is also there. We cannot deny that. I have also seen few. There are few people who work very hard and they study, they read day and night. In spite of that, they can crack examination. But there are some who do not do that much, who do not pay that much attention. They give dedication. In spite of that, they are achieving, they are cracking the examination. So it matters. In some cases, it matters, but in most of the cases, we should prefer hard work.
Sure.
Yes.
So
So do you? Yes, you can ask me whatever.
tell me, no problem.
Okay. So what do you prefer, government job or private job?
I think right now it doesn't matter. I prefer standard job. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Great.
So,
Mm-hmm.
so example, I have got a government job, but third class employee in any academic, in any sector. But I, as a commerce graduate, and I have already accomplished my post graduation Department of
Mm-hmm.
Accounting Information System and
Mm-hmm.
University of Russia. So how can I work these types of job? Any kind of
Yes. Yes. True.
academic, I got third class or first class job. So it is not peaceful for me, and I think that time I feel embarrassing. Okay, so I believe that government and private right now it doesn't matter. Right now, there is matter is things is standard job.
Standard job. Great. Great. And the next question is that what do you prefer, online shopping or offline shopping? Do you like shopping or not? First of all, let me know this one.
Definitely, I like shopping, but it's very difficult question for me. But
Mm-hmm.
uh, if you have a opportunity to go to the shop and you
Mm-hmm.
will be able to buy something, so definitely you should to go to shop and choose any different kinds of clothes or anything else. Okay, definitely
Mm-hmm.
offline shopping. But when you
Okay.
have
Okay.
no any opportunity to go outside, that time obviously
Mm-hmm.
online shopping.
Okay. Okay. So do you like reading books?
Yes, I like, but still I can't do that.
Okay. Okay. What kind of books you like to read? Fictional or non-fictional? Self-help books? Do you like?
Any, any storybook, any storybook or any
Story.
motivational. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, okay. That means inspiring story. You like to read inspiring stories. By reading those stories, you can also get inspiration from this kind of stories and content. We also prefer to watch those kind of videos which gives us inspiration, motivation. By watching those videos, we can also get inspiration. So we prefer to watch those kind of videos. So yeah, it happens with everyone. So okay, would you like to ask me any question? So if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wrap up the session for today.
Yeah, sure. So right now, what's your profession?
Yes, I teach. I teach online as well as offline. So you can say by profession I'm a teacher. Although I'm not teaching in any institution, I am trying to get job in government sector. Let's see when it happens.
Okay, lots of love and best wishes for you. And I think as soon as possible, you got a job because you
Thank you.
have a best communication skills. And right now, you are fluent speaking in English.
Thank
So
you.
right
Thank
now,
you.
you are online tutor. You teach English.
Yes, yes. I teach spoken English.
Okay, that's
And I
great.
also
So
teach students from class 5 to 9. They're academic books, actually. Whatever they have in their syllabus, I teach them.
okay, so when did you created your YouTube channel? How many days ago?
Yeah, I think I not last year, I created my channel in the month of October, something like that, in the month of October in 2023. I created my channel in 2023.
I think it is estimate.
Yeah, yeah, it's many
Yes, yes,
months.
yes. Sure. So what kind of video you upload? Any kind of video,
I
English to Bangla session or Bangla to translation
no,
session?
no, No, I don't upload this kind of videos. I only upload this kind of conversation videos, or sometimes these days I'm trying to make solo videos. I'm focusing on that. I want to make a lot of solo videos. So I'm also working on that. I would love to share with my audience solo videos. So I've been also working on that. Otherwise, I mainly upload this kind of conversation videos.
Okay, so yesterday I created my YouTube channel. So as a senior or as a YouTuber, could you give me some advice? What should I do for my channel? Because I am a beginner about this language, but I have already created this channel.
Yeah. So, as a content creator, we must focus on good content because, as a content creator, you must give something importance to your audience. That is what our motto should be. Our intention should be giving something importance to our audience because I respect each and everyone's time. So whenever they're watching your video, so that you also need to remember one thing that you don't want to waste their time a little bit. So always focus on good content that can help you to reach out to a lot of people, and that can also help you to stand out from others. Good content.
Okay, thanks for your nice advice. Okay,
Thank you. Pleasure is mine. Okay,
okay, so
so
see you
can we
soon.
wrap up the session for today?
Yeah,
See
sure,
you
sure.
soon. Bye.